All right, let's look at the homework 3, problem number 18. All right, so let's evaluate these limits. All right, part A, we want to evaluate the limit of f of x as x approaches 4. So let's do that. So part A, so we want to take the limit of the f of x is x squared minus 2x minus 8 over x minus 4 as x approaches 4, right? And the first thing you should try is just to plug in the number and see what happens. And if you put x equals 4, you can see that the denominator approaches 0, which is kind of a bad news. And how about the numerator? So you have a numerator, so you have a 4 squared minus 8, so the numerator also goes to 0, right? So this indicates that the numerator and the denominator will have a common factor, right? So let's look for that, right? So let's see. So I'm going to leave this limit for now. And if you factor out the numerator, you're going to get x minus 4 times quantity x plus 2, right? Then you have an x minus 4 on the bottom. Now we can see the common factors, right? So you have a common factor on top and bottom and cancel out. Then plug in. So x plugging 4 here, 4 plus 2, so you get 6, right? So let's type it in. And value is 6, right? Check the answer, right? We got that. All right, part B. Now x is approaching 0 this time, right? So part B, right? Same thing. So you have a limit of x squared minus 2x minus 8 over x minus 4 as x approaches 0, right? All right, first thing is we're going to plug in 0, and you see that it's at 0 minus 4 is negative 4 on the bottom. All right, 0 minus 8, so it's a negative 8. So we actually get the positive 2, right? So we actually, so that's the answer, right? So plug in 2 and check the answer, all right? We got that. All right, part C, now x goes to negative 2, right? So let's look at that. All right, so you have C, right? So limit as x approaches 0, right? I'm going to actually use the factored out version of that. You have, let's see, yeah, sure. You have x minus 4 and x plus 2 over x minus 4, right? All right, so actually this is going to, negative 2, right? So x approaching negative 2. All right, again, these are the common factors we can just cancel out. So now you have negative 2 plus 2, so that's actually gives you 0, right? So answer is 0, right? Oops, 0. All right, let's check the answer. All right, we got that. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.